In this video, I want to demonstrate how to start a top-down assembly. So first, you can tell I want to start a new file. You can tell I want to start the inch assembly and select OK. Because I didn't have a part open, it's going to say, where's this part you want to first insert into the assembly? I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to cancel this. So I've just got a blank assembly with nothing in it. Next, because I'm working top-down, I'm going to do as much as I can top-down. I'm going to insert a blank part into the assembly. So from the assembly ribbon, I'm going to select the drop-down arrow below Insert Component and select New Part. It's going to ask me what template I want to use. Again, I'll use my inch template and say OK. And you'll see the green check mark beside my mouse. It's waiting for me to click to accept this. So I'll click and accept it. And now I've started a new part in the context of the assembly. I know it's in the context of the assembly because of this little symbol here. That's telling me part 1 was created in the context of something else. In this case, in the context of assembly 1. And it also shows me that it's fixed. Fixed means that this part has its front plane locked to the assembly front plane, the top to the top, and the right to the right. So the first thing I want to do before I forget is I'm going to rename this part. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to say rename part. Now for that to work, you have to have gone into your settings and turned on the option to allow parts to be renamed from the feature tree. So I'm going to give it a part number. So now it's part number 100,001, created in the context of assembly 1. And when I rename my assembly, this will change. The other thing is this part currently only exists within this assembly. That's fine sometimes, but if I want to make a part drawing of this, I need it to exist outside of the assembly. So to do that, I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to say Save Part in External File. This can be done at any point in the design process. So I'll click on that. It's going to go to wherever I was last saving stuff, or I could specify the path. For now, I'm just going to accept the default path and say OK. And now that part's saved externally in that folder, and I can make a drawing of it at any point. I'm going to click on the part and select Open Part. So here's my part. All it is right now is just a regular blank part template, and I can start designing in it, or I can go back and edit the part in the assembly and start designing there.